In today's video, I'm going to teach you how and when to use components, specifically focusing on Jira Components 101. Components in Jira are essentially sections within a project, and they are a fantastic way to organize your work by breaking it down into more manageable parts. However, it's important to note that Jira components are only available in company-managed projects. They're scoped specifically to the project in which they're created, so every project can have its own unique set of components tailored to its needs. Let's get started by navigating to your company-managed project. You'll want to head over to the View tab and click on Components. This will open up a new world of organizational potential for your project. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Create Component. Doing so will send you to another part of Jira's suite called Compass. Some of you might not be familiar with this, but it's a software tool where you can set up components with different types requiring different setups. Compass offers a wealth of options, allowing more advanced configuration according to the specific nuances of your project. Now, if you're not quite ready to dive into Compass, or you simply prefer a more straightforward approach, there's flexibility for you. You can easily disable Compass. To do this, look for the drop-down menu at the top right of your screen. Click on it and find the option to disable Compass. This little trick gives you the freedom to set up components directly without the added layers that Compass might bring. Once you've chosen your preferred method, click Create Component again. Here is the exciting part where you really start defining your project structure. You'll need to enter the essential details for each component you create. Start with the component's name. Think of a concise and descriptive name that clearly indicates its role within the project. Next, a description will be your friend. It's where you provide a more elaborate explanation of what the component is meant to handle. This helps anyone accessing the project clearly understand its purpose and scope. After that, you'll want to assign a component lead. This is someone who will oversee everything related to that component, ensuring it stays on track and aligns with the bigger picture of your project. Finally, you'll need to set a default assignee. This person will automatically receive tasks associated with this component, which can really streamline your workflow and keep things moving smoothly. And that's all there is to it. Utilizing components in Jira can transform how you manage your projects, offering a clear and organized structure that makes collaboration and task management more efficient. By sticking to these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering components in Jira. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.